Hey, back at the house, man. So yeah, man, we back at the house. Y'all seen what we had caught, man. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Old Speculate, something spectacular. Beautiful fish. Listen, I'm about to get these things cleaned up. And y'all already know. Y'all in a second, my people. Let's go. Yeah, man. Beautiful fish. Boy, them things, know they pretty, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Show y'all how to clean fish in the hive without having a big mess. You feel me? So these boys gonna get fried whole right here. It's got that thing under the water. Got one under that water. What is the name of these anyways? They got these long gills right here. What is that? A long-eared something or something? I don't know. Yeah, man. Got them boys scaled up good, man. Oh. Double checking. I'm gonna fillet that bad boy. Look though, check me out now. Anyway, this is not good now. It's flowing now. Got a lot of skills right here. You thought these in the garbage though. You heard? Y'all see it? Y'all see it, man? So, let go, y'all. So, that's what we got right here, my people. That's it. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see this? I'm gonna share what we're gonna be eating on in a second, my people. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. We lit, man. About to shower. Go ahead and get this food cooked up, man. Yes, sir. Let's get the ball rolling, my people. Y'all already know. Get this water for these grits. Yeah, in. Old school today. Grits, fish. What we doing today? A little water in there. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, man. About to go ahead and get this seasoned up. I already know, man. I'm trying to tell you. Get this all seasoned up real quick. And hit y'all up in a second, my people. Let's go. Y'all see me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right. You see that boy, that's good. I'm scared. I'm scared, man. You know, like they say, if you're scared, go to church. That's what they say down here in the South. If you're scared, go to church. But y'all already know. Keep that seasoned up good. I'm telling you, man. Can't go wrong with that ADAP, my boy. That thing really adapts to anything. Spin blend on that thing. So listen, about to get these grits cooked up real quick. Hit y'all up in a second, my people. Yeah, boy. They get thick. Get milk, my boys. Gotta have that flick of the wrist, man. Boy, call on my phone. I'm fishing. They don't be listening. I'm cooking right now though.
Hey, Dad, come here.
Hmm? All right. Okay, okay.
Hey guys, check out this. It's roots that looks like carrots. It's because they are carrots.
Just funny, man. It's twisted on grits. But yeah. Hit y'all up in a second, man. Just in here chilling, man. Let go. Let go, y'all. Let's go, my folks. This bag season look righteous. Try to get some more. See if she ready, y'all. Here we go. It's long. Yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. Put that cheese up in there, boy. Cheese in there. Get that fish going. Yeah, man. It don't take much, man. Go out there and get you a couple little jigs, little bobber. Go out there and get y'all some food, man. Appreciate y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, show love, man. Start wrapping everything up, you know. Got a couple more things to do, and yeah, see y'all in a second, my people. Let go. Man, it's him. That real butter. Yes, Lord. Yes, sir. y'all see it. Put that plate, that napkin under this so the grease won't burn the plate, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it though, man. Y'all see what's going on. See, it's long. Get them in there. Yeah, boy. Cook these bad boys slow. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yep. About to go ahead and cook these eggs, get this spread out, you know what I'm saying? Get everybody at the table so we can eat. Probably gonna go to the park or something, man. Got still a little early. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit the bell, man. Like, share, subscribe. Help your boy grow, man. Let's go, y'all.
I'm cooking.
What he gonna do? Gotta do everywhere now.
That's what I know.
Here we go, y'all.
Well, this is going great. Awesome. Well, this is going great so far.
Yeah, man. Let go. There you go, y'all. I'll see it, man. Hey, man. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate everybody watching. Y'all see the plate, though. Me and my boy about to sit down and eat us some whatever we call this. What we did? Lunch, dinner, breakfast? What we got? What we gonna call this?
Breakfast.
Okay, we gonna call it. What's it say?
Breakfast.
Okay. We're gonna sit down and eat us some breakfast together, man. Breakfast for lunch. But listen, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, show love. Be nice to people, man. You already know what we tell them, son. Start calling my phone. I'm fishing.